Hey guys, this video shows how to create your first form on your WordPress site using the WeMail plugin. WeMail lets you integrate other contact forms for your WordPress email marketing. We have tons of videos on this, so be sure to check the links down below. However, WeMail has its own built-in form which we will show how to use to create a form in WordPress. Let's start. So from your WeMail dashboard, go to Forms and click on New Opt-in Form under the Add New button. Now choose your form style such as inline, floating bar, slide up, and model. In this case, we are going for the basic form. Set a name for your form and then choose an email list name and hit save. So this is what the form will look like. Hover over a section and click on the edit logo, and in this case, we are editing the description for the form. In the second section, the format was edited. Filling this part was also made a requirement. You can also add fields to your form. For example, you can drag and drop the date field. You can also add the image field and proceed to upload an image. Be sure to make adjustments if needed for your image. Don't forget to save your form to save your progress. Under the template style, you get another chance to select your form style. Add a background color to make your form stand out more visually. Change the text color, but in our case, we are keeping it same as before. You can add a border to help viewers identify your forms visually. Borders with colors are easier to identify. If you add a border, be sure to adjust the border radius. Changing the field label position as well as the alignment can also make a difference to your form. And if you are a gifted designer, you can add CSS scripts to make your form stand out even more. Under Settings, when a form is submitted, you can choose to redirect a user to a separate site, or you can set a message to display to your subscribers. Under Form Action, you can assign a tag to your form. In addition, you can choose when to show the form again based on your preferred time. Lastly, hit Save to save your progress. We've just created a form. We will now show you how you can insert a form on your WordPress post. So go to Posts and click on a post. Then click on the plus sign and choose the WeMail widget and select the form you created. Don't forget to update and view your form. Let's show you how to do the same thing on your WordPress page. Go to Pages and then choose a page. Click on the plus sign and then choose the WeMail widget again. Then choose your form. Lastly, hit Publish to update your page. If you ever need help, you can also refer to the Help section where you will find links to our videos, blogs, and documentation. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getwemail.io and subscribe to our channel.